Beautiful, glowing skin isn't just a matter of genetics or expensive spa treatments. In fact, some of the most effective ways to nourish and care for your skin can be found right at home using natural ingredients and simple rituals. Today, let's explore 30 natural beauty tips for your face and skin that you can start using at home. These tips are time-tested, gentle, and designed to bring out the best in your skin without harmful chemicals or harsh products. Let's begin your journey to radiant, naturally beautiful skin. First, cleanse your face daily using a gentle, natural cleanser. Instead of using harsh soaps, you can blend honey with a splash of milk or yogurt. Honey is a natural humectant. It draws moisture into the skin and also has antimicrobial properties. Gently massage the mixture onto your face, then rinse with lukewarm water for clean, hydrated skin. Second, exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and revealing a healthy, glowing complexion. You don't need synthetic scrubs. A simple mix of ground oats and yogurt creates a mild exfoliant. Apply in gentle, circular motions once or twice a week. Oats are soothing and great for sensitive skin, while yogurt contains lactic acid that helps dissolve dead skin. Third, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is one of the easiest ways to support your skin's health from within. Proper hydration helps your skin remain supple, prevents dryness, and can give you a natural glow. Fourth, use aloe vera for its soothing and healing properties. Aloe vera gel, straight from the plant or in its purest form, can calm inflammation, treat sunburn, and hydrate the skin. Simply apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel onto your face and let it absorb for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Fifth, adopt facial steaming to open up your pores, making it easier to remove dirt and impurities. Boil water and pour it into a bowl, then drape a towel over your head and lean into the steam for about 5 minutes. Add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or tea tree for an extra boost. Sixth, don't underestimate the power of sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Your skin repairs and regenerates while you sleep, so getting enough rest is essential for a healthy complexion. Seventh, moisturize with natural oils. Coconut oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil are all excellent moisturizers. They're rich in fatty acids, which help to nourish and strengthen your skin's barrier. Apply a small amount to damp skin for best results. Eighth, use sunscreen every day, even if you're indoors or it's cloudy. Natural options like zinc oxide-based sunscreen provide broad-spectrum protection and are gentle on sensitive skin. Sun protection is crucial to prevent premature aging and some forms of skin damage. Ninth, tailor your diet for beautiful skin. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants, like berries, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, can help protect your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. Healthy fats from avocados, salmon, and walnuts also nourish your skin and keep it resilient. 10th, make a nourishing face mask from bananas. Mash a ripe banana, apply it to your face, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Bananas contain vitamins and minerals that hydrate and heal skin. 11th, avoid touching your face unnecessarily. Our hands carry oils and bacteria that can clog pores and cause breakouts. 12th, create a gentle toner from rosewater. Spritzing rosewater on your face after cleansing can help balance pH, tighten pores, and add a burst of hydration. 13th, use turmeric for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits. Make a simple paste with turmeric and honey. Apply as a spot treatment for blemishes and watch redness diminish. 14th, reduce stress through mindfulness, meditation, or yoga. Chronic stress can trigger skin flare-ups, so taking the time to relax improves not only your mood but also your complexion. 15th, don't overcomplicate your routine. Too many products can overwhelm and irritate your skin. Stick to the basics: gentle cleansing, moisturizing, sun protection, and the occasional natural treatment. 16th, use cucumber slices or chilled tea bags under your eyes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. The cool temperature and antioxidants help constrict blood vessels and lessen swelling. 17th, apply a honey and lemon mask to brighten your skin. The natural enzymes and vitamin C in lemon gently exfoliate and lighten, while honey soothes and heals. Use this treatment in the evening and always apply sunscreen the next day, as lemon can make skin more sensitive to sunlight. 18th, practice regular facial massage. Rubbing your face with clean hands in upward circular motions increases circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to skin cells for a rejuvenated look. 19th, try a homemade avocado face mask. Mash an avocado with a bit of olive oil, apply to your face, and let sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Avocado is rich in vitamins and healthy oils that moisturize deeply. 20th, keep your pillowcases and face towels clean. Changing them frequently prevents bacteria from transferring onto your skin, helping to avoid unwanted breakouts. 21st, harness the gentle power of green tea. Brew a cup, let it cool, and use a cotton pad to apply it as a toner. The antioxidants in green tea protect and repair skin from daily damage. 22nd, never go to bed with makeup on. Even natural makeup can trap oils and clog pores overnight. Always remove makeup thoroughly and let your skin breathe as you sleep. 23rd, protect your skin from harsh weather. Wind, sun, and cold air can all damage your skin's barrier. Use a scarf, hat, or extra moisturizer as needed during extreme weather. 24th, apply a simple raw milk cleanser with a cotton pad. Milk has lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin, leaving it softer and brighter. 25th, eat foods high in vitamin E, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and leafy greens. Vitamin E supports skin healing and keeps it supple. 26th, consider the benefits of apple cider vinegar as a natural toner. Dilute it with water and swipe across your skin to restore pH balance, fight bacteria, and reduce breakouts. Always patch test first to avoid irritation. 27th, use papaya as a natural exfoliator. The enzyme papain dissolves dead cells and uncovers refreshed skin. Mash ripe papaya, apply to your face, and rinse after several minutes. 28th, remember that consistency is key. Sticking to a simple, natural routine allows your skin to adjust and reveal its natural health and beauty. 29th, apply natural yogurt to your skin for a hydrating and calming mask. It contains probiotics and lactic acid that soften and soothe, making it ideal for dry or sensitive skin. 30th, and finally, be patient and gentle with yourself. Natural beauty isn't about instant transformation. It's the cumulative result of ongoing care, healthy habits, and nourishing choices. Incorporating these 30 natural beauty tips into your daily and weekly routine can help you achieve a healthy, glowing complexion without the need for harsh chemicals or complicated regimens. Remember, your skin is unique, and sometimes less is more. Listen to your skin, avoid overloading it with products, and appreciate the process of caring for yourself. Over time, these small, natural steps can lead to lasting, radiant beauty that truly shines from within.